Alright, so this is the homemade paperclip breadboard, and we have a very unique method for keeping our components in place. We make these paperclip spirals, and we crimp them using needle nose pliers onto the paperclip rails. So this spiral allows us to have a very easy time inserting and removing our components, as you can see. And this is a very secure, very conductive method. And we use the same thing for our power connection, which comes from our D batteries. So we're going from our positive side with our neodymium magnet so that our paperclip connector can connect to that. Powering our top rail, which is now our positive rail. Going to our third rail with that positive. And then on the bottom we have the negative side of the battery with our neodymium magnet, and our paperclip is powering the bottom rail. So that negative is connecting to our first reel. Now in the middle of our 2D batteries we have another neodymium magnet in order to keep them very closely together. Alright, I hope you have a lot of fun making your circuits, and take care everyone.